2. Deserts and grasslands. In this section, you will learn about two interesting biomes, deserts and grasslands. A desert is a climate region that averages less than 35 centimeters of rainfall per year. Most deserts are found between the latitudes of 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south. Because of the lack of cloud cover, deserts receive more than twice as much incoming solar radiation as humid regions. They also emit or give off almost twice as much radiation at night. As a result, deserts have large variations in daily high and low temperatures. You may wonder why there is so little rain in the desert. The answer depends on which desert you are talking about. The Sahara and Australian deserts are caused by regions of high atmospheric pressures found near 30 degrees latitude lines, figure 6.6. High pressures prevent air near the ground from rising and cooling. As a result, not much condensation takes place. When the condensation rate is lower than the evaporation rate, skies are usually clear and very little precipitation falls. Deserts, such as one found in eastern Washington state, are caused by the rain shadow effect. Prevailing westerly winds blow moisture-filled air from the Pacific Ocean over Washington coast. The air rises as it travels up the western slope of the Cascade Mountain Range and cools, causing condensation and lots of rain. By the time the air blows over the mountains to the eastern side, there is very little moisture left, figure 6.7. Olympia, Washington, on the western side of the Cascades, receives an average of 201 centimeters of rain per year. This region has fertile, nutrient-rich land for growing trees. Yakima, on the eastern side, receives only 32 centimeters of rain per year and is a rain shadow desert, figure 6.8. A third type of desert known as a fog desert. Fog deserts are found on the west coast of continents located between 20 degrees and 30 degrees latitude. Here, the prevailing winds are easterly, so moisture-filled air does not blow in from the ocean. Cold water currents run along many of these coastlines. The cold water causes air to condense as fog over the ocean. The fog drifting over land causes a small amount of precipitation, rain. Fog deserts include the Baja Desert of California and the Atacama Desert in South America. It might seem that few plants and animals could survive such harsh conditions, but actually many different kinds of organisms have adapted to desert life. In fact, only the tropical rainforest biome contains a greater number of plant and animal species than does the desert biome. Grasslands are found on every continent except Antarctica. There are two types of grasslands, tropical grasslands known as savannas and temperate grasslands. Savannas are found in parts of the tropics where there is not enough rainfall throughout the year to create a rainforest. Savannas are characterized by two seasons, rainy and dry. During the rainy season, which lasts 6 to 8 months, 50 to 127 centimeters of rain falls. This season is followed by a drought, which in many areas culminates with wildfires. The fires and the poor soil conditions prevent the growth of most trees. In fact, in some areas, trees grow only on termite mounds, figure 6.9. The isolated trees found in savannas have cork-like bark or an outer coating that can withstand some fire damage. Many large mammals of the savanna, including the wildebeest pictured at the right, have long legs that enable them to outrun fires. Smaller mammals burrow under the ground and stay there until the fire has passed over them. Most birds fly away from the fire, but several species, including the fork-tailed drongos, actually fly toward the fire. Temperate grasslands grow in the middle latitude regions and receive most of their precipitation in late spring and early summer. Most temperate grasslands are found in the interior of continents, far from large bodies of water. The average yearly rainfall is between 51 and 89 centimeters. Summer temperatures can reach over 38 degrees Celsius, while in the winter they can plummet below negative 40 degrees Celsius. The soil is rich in nutrients, and much of this biome has been cleared for farmland. Trees are uncommon except along river valleys. Around the world, grasslands go by different names, figure 6.10. In Central Asia, a grassland is called a steppe. A grassland is called a savanna or veld in South Africa. In North America, a grassland is called a prairie. In South America, it's called a pampa. And in Australia, a grassland is called an outback. Take a moment and answer these questions.